Hello everyone, I hope you guys like the video. First time I make a full tutorial video, so if I do any mistake, PLZ ignore it. First, make magic ring. Make 5 single crochet. Now make a slip stitch. Round 1. Make 1 chain. If you're a beginner, use yarn if you don't have stitch mark. Round 1. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Round 1. Make a slip stitch. In the end of round 1, we have 10 single crochet. Round 2. Again make 1 chain. Round 2. Do the same process like round 1. In the end of round 2, we have 20 single crochet. For patels, make a knot. Now make 6 chains. Pull the yarn from second last chain. Like that, we make 7 loops. In second row, make 8 loops. In third row, make 8 loops. In fourth row, make 8 loops. the 5th row, make 7 loops. Now we have 5 rows. In 6th row, make 7 stitch. Like that, make 5 more petals.